Hi, received a question from Ray regarding the Amtech F0475. This is the drill bit sharpener. Ray's question was, how do you assemble it to the drill so you can start using it to sharpen those worn blunt drills you've got? Right, Ray, in the box you get the drill bit sharpener, you get an extension collar here, and you get a spare carborundum disc. Okay, and I'll go through those in turn. You need a drill which has got a 43mm collar. So if your drill's got a side handle, it'll have a 43mm collar. And what you do is extend the jaws of the chuck so they protrude right out the end. And then using chuck key, just nip them up. Inside the actual sharpener head, there is a plastic PVC nut with an internal taper. That drives against the taper of the jaws when it's tightened up and pushed together. So it's a friction drive on that internal nut. So the first thing you do, Ray, is to just push the collar on about 10mm onto your drill. There's a keyway in this collar and there's a keyway on the drill sharpener. You insert the two pieces like that, and you can make any adjustments so each piece is gripped, and then apply a bit of pressure so the drill jaws and the plastic nut will drive each other. Okay, so that's assembled onto the collar, onto the drill, and if I just make sure your drill's turning clockwise, you can see now the end of the stone is rotating. Okay, if you've got a drill stand at home, fine, clamp your drill in there. Alternatively, use a G-clamp and clamp the drill down. It just makes it easier. But to show you here, this is an 8mm high-speed steel drill. Find the slot that fits the drill comfortably, and then with it, you'd normally have it clamped down, but you can insert the drill and rotate it, and you'll start to see that it's already started putting a new sharp edge, cutting edge on the drill bit. So you find the hole that suits the size of the drill you've got, but make sure they're not tungsten carbide masonry drills. It won't do that. It'll do carbon steel and high-speed steel. When the grinding wheel has become worn, which it will do after a while, simply take the end cover off, slide the new carborundum stone on, and you'll get many hours more drill sharpening out of it. I hope that helps, Ray. If not, please go to amtechdiy.com, and we look forward to answering your question.